think you're sly, God knows who you are. God knows why you're here today. He knows what you needed to hear, and he knows how you lay in bed at night and you wonder how you could be the person that you are, how you could do the things that you do, how you could keep acting the way that you keep acting while you tell people you are this certain person. And then at some point, you can't hide it. The system collapses, you get burned, people run from you, they stand and watch you burn as your body is burning there and the system is being destroyed right in front of you. And so instead of deciding to be open and vulnerable and act like you actually didn't know what was going on in life because you didn't, and that's why God blew it up in your face, instead of letting that be true and running to him for grace, you stonewall and you make your system bigger and you build it up again and you tell yourself, maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time, and it never works, ever, 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 because there's no life there. You want to be free from your sin? You have to dump out the cup that you've been drinking from. You have to expose what has been hidden. No more darkness. No more avoiding the real you. Let yourself be known. The woman at the well didn't realize it, but the healing that she wanted could not come without exposure.